Scotty, now that we've wrestled dead car into shop.
Okay, the battery's so far gone,
Mm-hmm.
we had to disconnect the battery, and I have the booster hooked up directly to the lines of the car.
The big bad no-co.
Yep, so now watch this. Focus on that light down there. I gotta close the door to
There's
to
a light
show you.
down there.
The light.
The bulb.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. What the fuck? Well, that's intriguing. Hey, the trunk
Is it
pop.
open?
Yeah. I think. It went up and now it's going back down. Oh, there it goes. Yep, it's open now. Yay. It doesn't stay up where the shit. So we need to get strutties for this back here.
Say that again.
We need to get the struts. But look what's in the back.
Oh,
All the
beautiful.
goodies.
Yeah. Here, I
Okay.
got this.
Oh God. All right. Oh look, but wait, there's more. Spare. We need the lug nut tool, boys and girls. There's some of the stuff. So we'll get in here, get digging, and call it good.